Good. Mr.M.Patrick remains my name for those who are new to the channel. If you want to find more of the calculation regards to mathematics and accounting, search Mr.M.Patrick in the YouTube. We will learn together. And also, if you are also interested in learning more, I have a course that I'm running currently for the accounting, and also for those who are going to take, we are going to interact in the quantitative techniques and business statistics. We are going to do it this way up to, we are starting on May today up to September. So you are very much welcome. If you are doing in regards to unit in regards to that area and you need assistance, just feel free to reach out to me in the comment section, and we are going to interact together. Good. So today, as I promised, I will come and do for you now the sum for the geometric progression. Remember the other video I did the term, how to calculate term. But this one now I want us to find the sum of geometric progression. So you'll be given a geometric progression as I've shown here on the board. You'll be given a geometric sequence. The same thing, also we have arithmetic sequence, which I'll already, it is in the YouTube channel. Just search that and you'll get. So we have the sequence here, 4, 8, 16, 12. 6 marks to find the sum of 20 terms. Sum of the 20 terms. Now, what we have to do here, first we have to ask ourselves, what is the formula for calculating the sum of geometric progression? The sum of geometric progression. So I'll give you the sum, just very easy. As I promised you that when you are here in this channel, we are going to make everything simple to regards to accounting and mathematics. So feel free to run to the YouTube channel and subscribe and like so that we can learn together. So it is the formula remains to be A. I always say that will be the first term of the sequence. In bracket, A in bracket, R will remain the ratio, common ratio, as I discussed before in the last video. R will remain the common ratio, then power n, n will remain the term that you have been asked. You can be asked to find maybe the sum of the 50 term. 50 remains to be the n. Now for this case, you have been asked 20. So 20 will remain to be our n. Then you minus 1, divide by, you divide by what? R, which is common ratio, minus R minus 1. Good. So let me just do it this one for the sake of those who are taking notes. Sn, it remains the sum of the term that you have been asked. Like for this case, you have been asked to get the sum of the 20 term. Then A will remain the first term of the sequence. Then R will remain to be the common ratio. Good. So if you master this, I assure you this is a very easy question for us. Now, if we can ask ourselves now, we already have the first term here, which for this one we already have, it is 4. So R is the one to calculate, which I had already shown, but I'm going to repeat. So the first step, so this was the first step, step 1. Step 1, you have to know what? You have to know the formula. Step 2 now, we have to calculate what? Common ratio. We have to calculate common ratio, and we always denote it as R. We have to calculate common ratio. Now, to calculate common ratio for this case, you can write the sequence down here. You can write the sequence down here. This is our sequence. And common ratio, I always say, you just take the second term, the first term for you, then the second before that. So it will be 8. You divide by the first term, which is 4. The answer you'll get must be equivalent to, if I take now 16 divided by 8. Also, the answer I'll get here must be the same as if I take 32 divided by 16. So the answer must be same, because we are saying it's a common. It's a ratio that is common across the board. So I'll start. It will be 8 divided by this, I'll have 2. 16 divided by this, I'll have 2. 32 divided by this, I'll have what? 2. So meaning you can see 2 remains to be common everywhere. If you get that, automatically that qualifies you to say this is a geometric progression, and you'll come and write here your common ratio to be what? 2. Now, we already have what is needed of us to do to proceed with our formula. So I will come now step 3. Step 3. Step 3 is now to calculate what? I want to now calculate the sum. The sum, which is the sum of 20 terms. The sum now. That's the sum. Sum of 20 terms. The sum of 20 terms, I will come and easily just, now that I have the formula, so I will write the sum of 20 terms is equals to A, which is 4, in bracket, common ratio, which is 2, power n, n is what? We have been told is 20. 20, yes, we have been told is 20. Then minus 1, close the bracket. You divide by r, which is 2 minus 1. Good. So that is very easy. Very easy. I think you can see how it is working for us. So I'll just proceed. I'll proceed with my calculation. And then I will say 4 in bracket 22 power 2 power 20. Remember, I said if you have your calculator like me here, I just press 2 on my calculator. Then there is something on your calculator like this. After I press 2, I press this one now. I will press this one now. It will be like something like this. Then I will write 20. Good. So I will have my answer as 1,048,576. But I have to minus 1. Good. 2 minus 1 is 1, so I don't have to proceed. So the denominator part here, the answer will be just 1, so we proceed. So it will be now, in bracket, it will be 4. If you minus here 1, it will be what? It will be 1,048,575. Good. So minus 1, I get that. Then you multiply by 4. I will have my answer as 4,194,300. So the sum of 20 terms becomes now 4,194,300. So this is how we calculate this, and you arrive to your answer. You arrive to your answer very well. Good. So this is how we do step by step a calculation of a sum of 20 terms of geometric progression. Good. I think for today we can stop there. Then I remind you, as I always do, because this one I've been always also been encouraged by my coach or my mentors, and I always encourage you, my fellow learners, fellow viewers, that find a mentor that will be encouraging you. Find somebody, partner, somebody you can call accountability partners. Yeah, you can have even accountability partners. Find somebody who will be able to challenge you from time to time. Not that we always say that not that everyone was born maybe not to be what you want. No, we have all what it takes for us to be what we want. You have the signature of the success, you hold it in your hand. So turn that pen to progress. Turn that pen to progress, because we are reminded that even birds, they just fly. They just do fly because they were meant to do that. Even the fish, as I always say, they just get amazing in the ocean because they were meant to conquer the ocean. The flowers just do blossom because they were meant to do that. They don't, for all these things, they don't have to ask permission from anyone. Why ask permission? Why question yourself? Go out and change the world. So let's meet in another session. We'll take you through another unit. But what I can encourage you, just search in the YouTube channel, Mr.M.Patrick, my name, so that we can continue learning together. For today, I wish you all the best and may God do you good.